All right, we want to decide, first of all, if we have a triangle, and secondly, what kind of triangle it is. If we do have a triangle, so first thing I want to do, check to see whether we even have a triangle or not. I'm going to add up the two smaller sides, and that needs to give me something bigger than the hypotenuse, which it does, so we do have a triangle. Next thing, I want to check Pythagorean theorem, or Pythagorean inequality, I should say. So I'm going to check to see is 8.2 squared plus 4.1 squared greater than, equal to, or less than 12.2 squared. Quick calculator work, we get 67.24 plus 16.81. And then on the right side, it's 148.84. Add these two up on the left, we get 84.05. That is clearly less than 148.84. The way I always think about it is I start with a right triangle. Here my c squared is much bigger, so in order to make the c squared bigger, I've got to lengthen it this way, which then forms an obtuse triangle or an obtuse angle right there. So this triangle is obtuse, and it's obtuse since a squared plus b squared is less than c squared.